just coming right for us.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what that is. Weird. Uh-oh. Dude, what is that? Anyway, we get one chance at this, y'all. The treasure beach is actually closed, but they said we could go back there, so we get one shot at this. Yeah, that was a deer. You can't see him now, unfortunately, here. Well, there's the lost waterfall. Way back in the day. We're gonna hit it. I mean, we're out here, so we might as well spend the day getting what we can. They're gonna be tearing all this up. All right. Here's my first target. Shane's was a watch. So, $20. I got a penny. He got a watch, I got a penny. 17, 18, 19. Almost looks like white lead. Well, I don't know what that is. Weird. Oh, it's a dime. Well, I got something. It says White Barn, New York. White Barn. I was like you, taking some easy stuff first, but it all seems to be trash right here on the beach. Nice high tone. Give Higgles a watch. Higgles needs a watch. Higgles likes watches. Instead I got a dime. Well, I had a dime. There it is. One rosy dime. 21. Please be something other than a little piece of slag. It's either a bullet or a fishing weight. That looks like a bullet. I got a bullet. Boulet. Yeah, that's a bullet. Nice. Neat. 4, 8, 16, 18. Strange. I like strange. People are strange when you're a stranger. What is that? Well, this isn't a bullet. Let's check him out. He looks kind of cool. We're weird. Got a little screw on there. Oh, maybe that's like some sort of fish head. Yeah, I see some line. Fishing weight. Yeah, looky here. Booyah. Higgles got a cell phone.
There you go. Finally stopped crying.
A 7. Samsung 7.
Galaxy.
Nice. All right. 13. It's in my hand. Ah, we got a nickel. Nice. We'll take nickels. Right on. 13, 14.
Fish.
What's out? In my hand.
Oh man.
Well, where are you? This thing? Yeah. I keep finding a bunch of this slag-like stuff. Huh, not sure what that is, but it's heavy. The fish are pretty incredible.
I know, right?
Oh, I got a coin. 1 penny. Well, we're scoring coins.
Yeah.
We're scoring a little bit of treasure.
It is tough digging out here.
It's tough digging.
I'm seeing bubbles coming up out of the ground. I'm thinking, is my legend going to leak? All that smack talk I've done, it's going to cost me a detector.
1920.
Whatever it is, I think I got it.
In my hand. Well, it's a white coin. Did you get any white coins yet?
Yeah, I got a dime that looked white.
Did you? Oh, mine's a memorial. It's totally white. Weird.
I don't know what that is.
Higgles got a spoony love. Sterling? What? Oh no, stainless. Okay, I was gonna say.
That's sterling. I'll tell you. That'd have made the day right there.
Yes, sir. Beautiful waterfalls flowing. Look at it. Isn't it just rushing? That's a pretty shot. The waterfall. I'm digging right below. Here's where they climb up. So they step up there, grab that rope, climb up, walk around. Choom, they jump right off of there into this pool below. So I'm right under this rope. I haven't heard a signal yet. It's a little strange. I would have thought that area would have been hot to trot. Not hearing nothing. Well, that sounds pretty good. 22, 23 down there somewhere. One can lid. Nice. He's cool. What's up, dude?
You know what you're gonna get?
Baby snake too, man. He's tiny.
Yeah, they just hatched.
Yeah.
So that was probably Mama right there. See, look, there's Mama right there.
There is Mama. She coming back, ain't she? She's mad too. Look at her.
She's coming right at us.
Yes, she is.
She's coming right for us.
Yeah. Let baby go. Let baby get with her. She is mad though, ain't she? See you, buddy.
Go with Mama. That's the one you made mad. She's coming right at us.
Yeah, she's not scared at all of us, is she?
She's pretty. There's the little one.
Yep.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah. He's cool. Look, she's gonna go over. Aww.
Oh, I thought you would have laughed if she just ate it up. Bye, Mama.
That's neat. Right on.
Nothing, really.
Let's see if this thing, I'm gonna fire this thing up actually. Oh, I see it. It's right here. Penny. Memorial.
That's what she's doing, Brian.
What?
She's trying to eat. There's baby frogs everywhere.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Where's baby frog? He's green as can be. He's back in the water. Ah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there's another one. Dun, 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 dun.
91 to 87. Deep. I'll try.
Dun, 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 dun.
Shane's catching frogs to feed the snakes. Hey, wow, he is green. Look at that.
He's green.
Man, he's super green, dude. Wow. Yeah. Hi, Froggy. Hi, buddy. How are you? Oh,
It's Nature Day. Bye. They're everywhere. I didn't realize how many critters were out here.
man, how do you get through that? There we go. Like that. Say it's out. We got a coin. Looks like just a memorial, but no. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Did he get a Wheatie? Wheatie would be great news. I think it's a Wheatie. What are you doing to me? Is he on me?
Yeah. Oh, he done.
How y'all doing? Yeah.
I got him kind of tame. He's like, he ain't gonna hurt me.
He says, I got him tame. Uh-oh. Dude, what is that? Oh,
Don't lose it.
That's got a woman's face on it.
Oh, Canada.
You think?
It's a Lizzie.
Is it a Lizzie? I can't tell.
I'm thinking. I don't know.
That's got a woman's bust on it. Oh, and a bird. Oh, I do see some writing. Oh, Canada it is.
Oh, Canada.
Canada has a bird on the back? Yeah, that don't sound right. Huh, this coin's interesting. We got an interesting one. Neat. I don't know what that is. We'll have to clean that up when we get home and see, but that's a cool coin right there. It might be Canada, but it might not. Ooh. Ooh, look at the gemstone in that. Ooh, baby. That looks good, Shane.
I know.
That looks real good, brother.
I saw the gem, man. That's always gets me excited.
Oh, he scores right there. That's a beautiful gemstone. Yes, sir.
It's black. I bet it's silver.
Yeah.
That means that gem might be, whatever it is, might be real.
I see some writing in there.
Oh, yeah.
Get you the eyeballs.
Heck yeah.
Shane's got a ring, y'all.
Dude. Well,
Ring,
at least
ring number 1.
it's a little girl's ring.
Yeah,
It's got a big stone.
Yeah, it does have a nice big old stone.
All right.
Cannonball.
I hate that, dude. There's a lot more of that in this world than there is this anymore, it seems like.
Yep. No branches.